Hey guys, it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. It's been a hot minute since I have been filming. As most of you know, I have been redoing my whole bead room, art room. We painted it. My husband went out of his way. We painted the whole thing. I got all new furniture and bead drawers and everything. I can't wait to show you guys, but it's been like 20 days since I posted a video. So I'm behind on everything. So I hope you bear with me on this. I'm setting up, this is a new filming area too. I'm hoping there's enough light for this. So this is for the bargain bead box for February of 2025. These monthly boxes are $22.99 a month and they're valued at over $60. I have a coupon code BNJ2 for $2 off your first box with them. So let's see what this is. Okay, and this month it's called Floral Fantasy. It says explore an enchanted garden of full and deep blues and purples with this month's collection. A faceted lapis lazuli teardrop with a flowery brass bale combined with faceted agate, matte lapis, electroplated mystique quartz, a handmade lampwork focal, floral findings, and lots of gorgeous plated crystal to create a magical feel. Okay, and I have not looked at this yet. So these have all been in the corner of my bead room with boxes everywhere and everything. And I said, I'm not done doing it yet, but I have to do some filming here. Oh, these are really pretty. These are really pretty. Oh, that's different. I like that. Some teardrops. Oh, these are different. Look at that. Oh, how cute. Oh, these are pretty. Okay. Oh, I like those. I'm excited for this box. Oh, look at these pretty butterflies. I'm hoping I'm getting enough light here. Yes, it looks like I am. So let me get everything settled and I'll be right back. Okay, so we're starting with number 1, a lapis lazuli dyed faceted teardrop pendant with a bale, lead-free, cadmium-free, originally $7.99. This is different. It's got the bale on it and there's like a little, oh, I'm sorry, I'm not in focus. And I'm getting used to this new setup here. That's different. And number 2 is 14.5 inch 8mm crackled agate dyed heated faceted round beads. These are really pretty. Yeah, these are really pretty. Look at those. Oh my gosh, look at that. Look at the striations in these. I don't know if you can see them. These are so pretty. Okay, I just fixed my camera. I have my phone backwards that I film off of because I'm setting up totally different here. And number 3 is 6mm lapis lazuli dyed matte round beads at $7.99. And these are really pretty. Yeah, these are very pretty. I like mixing the matte with the sparkly because it just, you know, it gives off different hues on the jewelry. And to me, that just gives the jewelry a little more interest when you're making something. Okay, let me see. I swear, I feel like my lighting is off here. Okay. And number 4 is 7-inch electroplated Mystique quartz nugget beads, dyed in purple iris. So these are pretty. Each one's just a little bit different. Some are smaller, some are bigger. They've got a lot of sparkle. Look at that, you see all that? Yeah, very pretty. Okay, and number 5 is 7.5-inch 8mm hematite man-made faceted round beads in metallic blue. Well, these are heavy. It's got some weight on them. Very pretty. Very pretty. Love these. I like working with hematite. It's a nice metal to work with. And number 6 is 12 pieces of 12 by 9.5 millimeter crystal faceted oval beads in peacock blue. So these are so pretty. Look at that. Wow. I love the sparkle, and I love how it has the table cut right there on some part of it, so you get some matte, some sparkle. And number 7 is 13 inches of 6 by 4.5 millimeter crystal faceted triangle beads in slate blue iris. And I love when they give us these, because see how they have so many different cuts on each one that you get this sparkle depending on how you turn it. It's so pretty. Oh, look at that. Absolutely gorgeous. It's a really pretty box. And number 8 is a 41 millimeter lamprey glass fleckled oval bead in azuri skies. Ooh, very pretty. Kind of matches, my nail polish matches the box this month, and I wasn't planning on that. It's got one big hole in there. It's a nice size piece. Okay. And number 9 is 10 pieces of 10 by 11 millimeter glass tulip beads in violet blue. Well, these are really pretty. Oh, and the hole goes down through the middle right there. So that is really pretty. Something different. Yeah, these are pretty. Okay. And number 10 is 2 pieces of 8 millimeter glass rhinestone flower drops in tanzanite. Ooh. So there's a tiny little hole right on the top. See that little hole right there? Very pretty. You can use those to make like a dainty pair of earrings, or, you know, there's a lot you can do with that. And number 11 is 10 inches of 4 millimeter crystal faceted bicone beads in light sapphire AB for $2.99. These are pretty. These never go to waste. I use these. This is usually, I know some people don't like getting this strand, but this is usually the first strand I use up every month, because you can use them in so many other different, you know, things. If you want to add a little bit of sparkle to a bracelet or something, you can put a few of those on. They never go to waste. And number 12 is 2 pieces of 14 by 7 millimeter embossed crystal teardrops in Bermuda blue. Oh, okay, so that's the back. And that's the front. Oh, look at that. And the hole's up there at the top of the teardrop. Very pretty. Very pretty. This would be pretty for some dangle earrings or something like that. And number 13 is 2 pieces of 20 millimeter enameled butterfly charms in cornflower blue. Oh, these are pretty. They have a lot of, I don't know if you can see in the camera, they have a lot of detail to them. So that's the back side. But then the butterfly has a lot of detail to it. That's pretty. And number 14 is 30 millimeter of brass filigree floral pendant. Is 1. Wait, Number 14, 30, okay, 30 millimeter brass filigree floral pendant. Okay. And then it does have a little hole right there. But you could, if you wanted to do something around there, you could, that would be really cool. Maybe take some like 15 Miyuki seed beads and intertwine them around there or something, or do something in the middle. Maybe that's what I'll do with this. Not sure yet. So that's really pretty. Okay, and number 15 is 4 pieces of 18 millimeter brass filigree floral links. Okay, so this, they have the 2 holes, so they're like connectors. These would be pretty with just some real tiny jump rings in the holes, and then do some dangly there, and then put an ear wire up there. And you've got some really cool boho earrings. These are really pretty. Very versatile. I like when they give us some stuff like that. And number 16 is a 30 by 27 millimeter floral pendant. This is really cool, because you could have something dangling below, and you could attach like a jump ring there and a jump ring there, a tiny one, and then make the necklace like that, and then have something dangling down. That would be an idea. Or you could have it going through there and have a little bead right there. There's a lot you could do with this, especially because it's got all the little detail and the holes going all around. You could do some kind of work all around the outside. I haven't actually been in my bead room working in like 20 days. And I told my husband I'm going through bead withdrawals. So I said I have to get back in here, even though my room's not done. I said it's done enough where I can start working again, and I will just finish organizing as the days go on. Number 17 is 10 grams of 13 by 11 millimeter lotus flower charms. Oh, these are really cool. They're the same on both sides. Oh, look at that. It's got like a little half. It's like halfway. Oh, I really like that. A half oval. And it's the same on both sides. You could do a lot with these too. Very cool. And that was 17. And number 18 is 10 pieces of 9 by 7.5 millimeter floral bead caps. Oh, these are pretty. Well, these are different than what we usually get. And there's the hole on the top. They hang like that. Very pretty. Okay. And number 19 is 20 pieces of 7 millimeter flower spacer beads. Oh, so they did give us these as well. So there's the hole right there. Very pretty. Love these. Okay. Number 20 is platinum plated brass figural flower toggle clasp, $2.99. Oh, this is pretty. It's attached, so you just got to undo it when you go to use it. Oh, look at that little flower. Very pretty. Oh, this is very pretty. Lots of detail on this toggle clasp. This could be used in the front of the necklace as well, you know, to give it some detail. You can have it connecting like asymmetrical, like if you have the necklace like this, you could have it like right over here and have the focal piece down here and have that connecting right there for a little more interest in the front. And number 21 is 1 meter of 8.5 by 5 millimeter and 4 by 3.5 millimeter Figaro jewelry chain. Oh, this is pretty. You get a whole meter of it too. That's a pretty silver. I hope it doesn't tarnish too easily though. Yeah, the retail value for this is $87.29 this month. So for $22.99 you pay, and you get a really good bonus of beads for that price. So this is really pretty. I like Figaro chain. Okay. Well, I thought this was a really, really pretty box this month. Sorry I'm so late unboxing it. I just haven't had time to work in my room, but I feel like I'm pretty much back. Still a little cluttered in here. I'm not ready to share it with you guys yet, but I'm so excited to share it with you when it's all done. My husband worked very hard on this. So like I said, I have a coupon code BNJ2 for $2 off your first box with them. And I will leave a link below in the description for that, as well as a link to Bargain Bead Box's website and links to all of my social media and my Etsy store where I sell most of my jewelry on there. And if you are not subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing. I have a really busy year coming up. I have lots of new ideas and everything. So I'm sure you won't be sorry for doing that. So thank you everybody for watching this video, and stay tuned for another video. I know you're gonna love it, and I'll see you on my next one. Thank you so much and have a great day.